Wanting to have the time of your life while you study in Birmingham? We've got the right place for you. Calthorpe Court, formerly known as Liberty Court, offers ensuite rooms and two-bed apartments. The ensuite rooms come with private bathrooms, a communal and fully fitted kitchen, and living spaces that are ideally shared between you and your fantastic roommates. Those who wish to live with friends could opt to move into a two-bed apartment. The apartment comes with a fully equipped living room, kitchen, and spacious bedrooms. All of the rooms come with basic yet chic furnishings such as a bed, a study area, and lots of storage space. You can socialize with your fun neighbors over a game of snooker or watch a movie together in the cinema room. Enjoy your summers to the fullest in the outdoor courtyard. Engage in fun DIY projects with your friends. High-speed Wi-Fi, laundry services, and on-site parking spaces are some of the facilities that come with the property. The University of Birmingham and Aston University are less than 20 minutes away on wheels from the property. Cannon Hill Park, which is extremely nearby, is the place to be whenever you need to take a lush stroll. Hop on to amberstudent.com to get started today.